Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit the personal details in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the profile section, click on the personal details button. And as you can see, you can set a middle name, the date of your birth, gender, you can provide contact information, and you can also provide emergency contact. So just fill this form out and then click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.